Good afternoon, everyone. Today is all about green tiered tray collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, at home with Lisa and Deborah Cabasca Home Living. The co-hosts are myself, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Cindy's Home and Garden, and Decorating with Jazarine, also Mabel's Table. So come along with me as I show you my green tiered tray. And these are for St. Patrick's Day. So I'm gonna let you take a look at what I have here. And the items I'm using to do both tier trays are from the Dollar Tree. There's a couple of things that I already had, but most of it did come from the Dollar Tree, and I will show you that once you get a chance to take a look at them. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about each tiered tray. This one here, as I showed you before I decorated them, I showed you this hat, and the hat was actually inside this little flower pot. I took it out of the flower pot and attached it to this tier tray. I also added a ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and the little yellow flowers you see around. I just purchased a couple of flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I actually picked them off and just spread them around the tier tray here. This ball, I think I purchased that from maybe Hobby Lobby. And as you can see inside, I have the golden coins that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And on the bottom, I also have the 4-leaf clovers, which were also from the Dollar Tree. And I just surrounded the bottom of the plate, and I put the flowers on top. So this is the first tiered tray. It was very easy to put together. I just used that bowl from the Dollar Tree. I picked up the little flower pot with the hat, added the hat to this tray, and then I purchased 2 flowers and took off just took them apart and put them on each tier tray with the coins and the 4-leaf clover. And that first picture I showed you of all of the items that I did use. Now, for this one over here, I showed you this too. I had the 4 little gnomes, and I just put them in this tiered tray. At the bottom, I surrounded it with flour, and in the center, I did the same thing, but I added lights to it. It also has a couple of the 4-leaf clovers and the 2 gnomes. So let's look at the top. You can also see the little gnomes at the top and the beautiful flowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Some of them have the 4-leaf clover. The other one has the coins. And I also showed you that at the beginning. And so here's that little black pot that I took off the hat and just put the flowers inside of it. So that is my 2 tiered trays. I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor and more at Home with Lisa and Deborah Kabaska for inviting me to be a part of this collaboration. I will be leaving their information and all of the other ladies who are participating in this collaboration in my description box. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.